The work in our videos is carried out by an expert. All explanations, as well as executions, are only a recommendation of the providers. In this video, we would like to show you how to fix a permanent water intake from your dishwasher. First, check that the air trap is firmly seated, and that there is no dirt or calcification on the underside. You can also check the hose of the pressostat. If it is kinked or cracked, water will constantly run in. You can also test whether the pressostat switches by pulling off its hose at the bottom and blowing into it. The pressostat clicks when it is working normally. It is also important that the overflow plug is always inserted correctly.